Satya Nadella just issued a 2026 reset. AI is no longer a chatbot. It's a bicycle for your mind. And this changes how your Monday works. Forever. The era of typing prompts is over. Microsoft is moving toward cognitive scaffolding systems that support your thinking before you even know what to ask. At the same time, Hyundai and Samsung are revealing a 2026 vision where physical AI runs the ecosystem. This isn't just software anymore. AI is entering the physical world. The money is moving into internalized AI. Companies don't want people who just use AI. They want leaders who can build and own these systems. To win this week, you need a cognitive amplifier. Stop doing the research yourself. Let your agents build the first draft while you drink your coffee. Samsung's latest report shows AI agents already save employees 40 minutes per interaction. That's nearly 4 hours saved. Every single day. Your Monday goal is simple. Don't be a worker. Be an orchestrator. Let AI do the work, and you handle the high-stakes decisions. The big reset has already started. The only question is, are you building the system or getting replaced by it? Subscribe to Next Step AI and lead the shift.